Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you about one software name is Balloonary. If you want to automatically generate digital ads based on your website content, then this video is best for you. Just see my video and follow my video. I will guide you everything about that. Its name is Balloonary, okay? Automatically generate digital ads based on your website content. So I think this software is the best for you if you follow my video. Okay, just share my video everyone. If anyone want to grow their business automatically, or if anyone want to ads running automatically, so then share my video everyone. Okay, so it's only 69 lifetime deal. Okay, so I think this is the very low cost for you and the high converting profit ads. Okay, so let me show you the features and all about planning about the software. So launching your own digital ad campaign shouldn't fit harder than pulling off the next NASA mission. Okay, from ad copy and creative to analytics and ad optimization, you are playing a dangerous game when you manage everything on your own. Imagine if you could streamline every part of your paid campaigns from the ad concepts to ad spend with just one tool. Okay, so if you want to automatically generate ad concept including ad copy, ad creative and ad audience targeting in just a few clicks, then this software will be the best for you. Run ads across Google, Facebook, Instagram Plus, manage all ad you can run or you can manage from one software. Its name is Balloonary. So it's all about AI system here. You don't have to bother anything. Just use AI and just update you everything daily and optimize your ads for the profit. Okay, so let me clear you the basic concept about the software overview. Balloonary is an AI powered ad platform that automatically generates digital ads across multiple platforms based on your web copy. Advertising online has never been this easy. Okay, so you can add a suggestion to your ad just one click or simply use AI generated content as a starting point. The powerful design editor helps you customize any ad. You can start with template speed for all kinds of businesses, products and services. The editor is equipped and AI tools that automatically suggest winning visuals and caption to give you awesome creative inspiration. Already up running, connect your own ad account and create new content while managing backend payments separately. Check your ad performance using the real-time results, dashboards and discover actionable insights on how to improve your campaign. Plus, you'll be able to take low-performing ads out of the rotation or edit them until they start getting the results you want. So whatever you just saw, just buy now from today. Go to my description link. Here you get your thing. You get discount from my link. Just buy from today and automatically generate digital ads based on your website content. Okay, so last but not least, Balloonary optimizes everything from ad creative to ad spend. You are free to focus on bigger marketing initiatives. So build ads without a effort. So get lifetime access from today. Just buy from today and do it ad very easily. Features including all plans, automatic ad generation, comprehensive watch-out, continuous optimization, Balloonary ad account, bring your own ad account, and advanced ad templates, team collaboration. So you just see everything. I think from today you don't have to search anything for your ad copy. From today, just buy from this, buy from my description. You will get lifetime deal, and you don't have to bother. Just buy from today and automatically campaign and just profit maximize on your on your business website. So thank you very much for watching my video and share my video and follow my Facebook page for more information about the digital software and Facebook and YouTube earning or anything earning related video. I will update it. Okay, so thank you very much.